Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Quiver Quickie.
We're back.
Yes, and medyo it's been a while since nagkaroon kami ng Quickie. First time for volleyball, to be honest. And what a way to magkaroon kami ng Quickie against Ateneo. So medyo para at least medyo maganda-ganda naman yung happy-happy naman yung ating Quiver Quickie. So I really takes mo for this match na we won 3-1. Anong initial takes mo?
Ako, ano yun, online, yung sentiment talaga, this game should have just been an email. Ganun pa rin talaga dapat. Dapat in-email na lang.
Oo.
Although, ano yun, Lasal is still unblemished in the records, even, although we dropped one set, we're still undefeated at 4-0, while Ateneo is still winless at 0-4. And I guess dito, Vic, ano yun, masasabi talaga natin, I think, we got good contributions from the girls, particularly I guess in yung floor defense natin. And what more can you say, Vic?
Ako yung I think una yung errors natin. I think that's one thing that kept Ateneo in this game. If we practically took away all the errors, it would have been an easier game. Pero syempre we cannot blame naman din the team, no? Kasi parang syempre at some point given yung comfort level siguro, pwede natin sabihin na yun nga, merong comfort level and medyo mataas yung confidence na we know that we can win this game. So yung minsan nag-experiment talaga tayo along the way, which paid for those errors. But then nevertheless, when we knew that it's time to win, I think we were able to focus and get contributions from the players din. I think pinaka-important dito na pwede nating maano is that for this match nag-ambag si Althea Cabradilla and si Ella de Guzman. So just like what we've been mentioning sa ibang episodes natin, na yung matches na wala si Shevana, it also will be an opportunity, no?
Also, Shevana is also still not playing
Yes,
today.
so yun nga, parang ang natin dito is that it gives us an opportunity to see kung sino pa yung mga pwedeng makapag-contribute. Because last match, it was Mikey Santos and Shane Raterta. And this match, Coach Ramil had to press the right buttons of the bench para mabigyan ng opportunity si Ella de Guzman and si Althea Cabradilla. And oh boy, they delivered and led us to a win in this match. Ako yun yung pinaka-key takeaway ko for this match. We found another set of players na nakapag-contribute para manalo tayo today, which will help us prepare more going into that NU match sa last match natin for the first round of eliminations. Who knows? I think against UE, baka meron ulit bago. So I think ako happy ako at that aspect na meron tayong ibang mga players na lumilitaw at nagpapakita every match.
Yeah.
Ayun, Willie.
Ayun. I guess really good takes, no, Vic, na we're seeing the depth of this Lasal team na even without si Shevana, and alam mo naman si Coach Ramil, yun, in some games meron talaga yung mga
magic bunot. Yeah, yung mga magic bunot.
And it's nice to see that so far in each of the games may nakuhugot din siya that will really help, pay or give confidence to the players para we're not always just relying on a few key players.
Yep. We are not being too predictable din sa mga kalaban natin. So it was really yung second set, we lost that set, pero yun nga, it's because of our errors. I think we had 9 or 10 errors on the second set, which is medyo talaga, you don't deserve to win a set pagka ganun karami yung errors mo. And I think we learned din naman we were able to move right away dun sa next two sets wherein we practically dominated Ateneo on every facet of the match naman. So I think, ano pa ba, Willie? Anything that you would like to add before we end this quickie?
Yeah, I think we basically went through the motions now of our win today. So again, the De La Salle Lady Spikers won against Ateneo. We're still unbeaten at 4-0. Unfortunately, earlier in the game, the Green Spikers
yun na rin natin. Yeah, it was an exciting match. It was an exciting match. We were trailing 2-0 on sets.
Then
Pero
humabol.
nakahabol and it
Umabot
was a
ng
good
fifth set.
effort. Breaks lang talaga. Breaks
Oo.
lang talaga yung naging
Sayang.
problema ng Green Spikers kanina, but it was a valiant effort and it's something to look forward to sa mga susunod na matches nila. They're 0-4 pero yun nga, with what I've seen earlier, malaking tulong na yan. I think it will be a confidence booster for them sa mga susunod pa nilang laro.
Okay, I guess that's it.
I think that's it for us here
for us
in
here.
Araneta, and we'll have an episode this week. So just stay tuned for our episode that we will upload sometime this week regarding this match against Ateneo.